I'm to go to market, but it's raining. You can see the weather. Can you please tell me what type of rain is this? I'm getting wet. If I'm getting wet, so what type of rain? Is it spitting or is drizzling? Is pouring? Okay, so today we will learn the vocabulary on rain. Okay, we will see what type of rain is this. If there's a very little rain, or there's a heavy rain, or there's a lightning and thundering also, and rain with rain. So what type of rain is that? Okay, so let's get going. So today we will learn vocabulary, some words or phrases describing rain. So we have first word. First word is spitting. Spitting means very light rain. Very light rain that you can barely feel. So we can say very light rain. Okay, you can barely feel. Clear? It's just spitting a little. It's just spitting a little. So we have next word, it drizzling. Drizzling. Drizzling means more than spitting and less than rain. More than spitting and less than rain. Clear? That is drizzling. It has been drizzling all day. It has been drizzling all day. So more than spitting and less than rain. Clear? So next we have pouring. Pouring means heavy rain. Pouring means heavy rain. It's pouring outside or is pouring rain outside. Is pouring outside or is pouring rain outside. Clear? So next we have lashing. Lashing means heavy, intense rain, or here we can say also lightning, okay, or thundering. Clear? Lightning or thundering. So here we can say the sound of rain lashing against the window was deafening. The sound of rain lashing against the window was deafening. Clear? Number 5, bucket down. Bucket down means very heavy rain. Very heavy rain. So here the rain is really bucketing down. The rain is really bucketing down. Okay, now we have number 6, downpour. Downpour is in a sudden or unexpected heavy rain. Okay, or we can say a lot of rain, in a short of period, in a lot of rain in a short period. So here we have done this in a sudden unexpected heavy rain. Downpour क्या होता है? बहुत ज़्यादा unexpected rain. Suppose you are gone out and you forgot to carry your umbrella with you and there is a sudden or unexpected rain. So that is downpour. Clear? So next we have tipping down. Tipping down is also heavy rain. Tipping down is heavy rain. We cannot go to the beach today because it is tipping down. Okay, because it is tipping down. Again, heavy rain. Clear? So next we have deluge. Deluge describes the carnage It describes the carnage caused by rain, okay, then tending to result in a severe flood. We can say that's a continuously rain का होना that tend to a severe flood, okay, that is a deluge. So next we have on and off. On and off means a rain starting and stopping. Okay, then starting again, then starting again, okay, over a period of time. On and off. So here we can say that it has been raining on and off. So it has been raining on and off. Okay. So we have done here 9 words and phrases. Again we'll see that. First we did spitting. Spitting means very light rain or that you can barely feel. Okay. Next we have drizzling. Drizzling here more than spitting and less than rain. Clear? More than spitting, spitting से ज़्यादा और rain से कम, बहुत तेज़ बारिश का नहीं होना. Next we have pouring. Pouring mean heavy rain. Okay, here pouring and tipping. Okay, this can also be there. When downpour starts, that also we can also use this word here. Clear? So next we have lashing. Heavy intense rain, lightning or thundering is also there. Clear? Now next we have bucket down. Very heavy rain. Bucket down is very heavy rain. Next we have downpour, in a sudden unexpected heavy rain or lot of rain in a short period. Clear? Now next we have tipping down. Tipping down means heavy rain. Okay. Then we have deluge. Describes the carnage caused by rain or tending to result in a severe flood. फ्लड का आना. ओके, कॉन्टिन्यूटी में रेन होना और उसके बाद फ्लड का आना. दैट इज. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव ऑन एंड ऑफ. ऑन एंड ऑफ मीन स्टार्टिंग एंड स्टॉपिंग. शुरू हो रही है फिर से वो स्टॉप हो रही है. देन स्टार्टिंग अगेन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके, फिर से वो स्टार्ट रेन का होना. दैट इज ऑन एंड ऑफ. सो हियर वी हैव डन विद दैट some words and phrases describing rain. I hope that you must have enjoyed this session and learned new words today. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.